Harnessing the potential of chatbots in customer service. In today's digital age, customer service is critical. But how can companies keep up with increasing demands? The answer: chatbots. Benefits of chatbots. 1. Chatbots offer improved response times and availability. 2. They can handle multiple inquiries simultaneously, reducing reliance on human representatives. 3. They provide 24/7 support and collect valuable data to improve products and services. Cost-effective solution. They reduce labor costs and handle multiple conversations at once, increasing efficiency. They also provide valuable insights for improving products and services. Personalization and customization. Chatbots offer personalized services and customized interactions. They analyze customer data to offer tailored product recommendations, increasing sales and satisfaction. They remember previous conversations, creating a seamless customer journey. Implementing chatbots. To implement chatbots, identify key customer pain points. Choose the right chatbot platform, considering features, ease of use, and integration capabilities. Then integrate the chatbot with existing systems. Enhancing customer experience. Chatbots provide instant and accurate information. They offer proactive assistance and recommendations. They streamline the customer journey, assisting with purchases and automating repetitive tasks. Overcoming challenges. Address privacy and security concerns with robust data encryption measures. Ensure seamless integration with human agents. Monitor and refine chatbot performance regularly. The future of chatbots. Advancements in chatbot technology will lead to more human-like conversations. They will become more personalized and tailored to user needs. They could even understand and respond to human emotions. In conclusion, by harnessing the potential of AI-powered chatbots, businesses can deliver exceptional customer experiences. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize your customer service with chatbots. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's learn, grow, and succeed together.